Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20i. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. Now, as you can see right here, in this menu we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change wallpaper, enable or disable iCar, schedule it and adjust it. And the same thing with dark theme. Next you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable adaptive brightness, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable screen on, change font size, enable or disable inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, manage lock screen preferences like lock screen notification display settings, add text on lock screen, show wallet and lock screen overlay. In the end, you can enable or disable network speed in status bar. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.